Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Paul Arob. So, we'll be shooting a video on this day, which the title is Ologini Akeere. So, I'm telling you now that the video will be released on this coming Sunday, which is 13th of April, this 2025. So, I beg you people, on the 13th of April, Sunday, on the 13th of April, this coming Sunday, the video will release by 10 o'clock a.m. So I beg you people, everyone that see this video should go to YouTube, or any other app that work with YouTube, have connection with YouTube. Go to everyone. If you go to YouTube or any other app that work with YouTube, like this app, what is the name of this app? There are so many apps that work with YouTube.